Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we'd like to share some exciting news from the AI tech space in the release of OpenAI's Chat GPT 4. Upon its release, Chat GPT took the tech world by storm. It's pretty obvious that nobody saw Chat GPT coming, not even the creator company, OpenAI. When users realized the near-infinite capabilities of Chat GPT, it quickly became, by some measures, the fastest-growing consumer app in history. Since then, the AI system has been used in various creative ways. It has even excelled in the world's toughest exams, including the US bar exams and SATs. ChatGPT has been hailed by programmers as the perfect companion with its ability to come up with code with near-surgical accuracy. And with the release of the ChatGPT 4 iteration, the system has got even better. From the project's homepage, OpenAI states the following: "We've created GPT-4, the latest milestone in OpenAI's effort in scaling up deep learning. GPT-4 is a large multimodal model, accepting image and text inputs, emitting text outputs, that, while less capable than humans in many real-world scenarios, exhibits human-level performance on various professional and academic benchmarks." This means that GPT-4 will get more creative and will be less likely to invent facts. The system will also be less biased as the underlying tech stack gets shiny new upgrades. These improvements come from OpenAI learning from the shortcomings of the previous releases, as pointed out by users. OpenAI has also said that by building on the conversations users have had with ChatGPT, the company has been able to improve on earlier noted weaknesses. This includes responding sensitively to requests for content that includes self-harm advice. Over the years, website and app search has evolved to take several forms. But no one would have thought that the simple text box would once again reign supreme and become one of 2023's hottest innovation with ChatGPT's increasing popularity. But first, let's look at the evolution of search. In the beginning, there was the simple search box, ever humble, ubiquitous and unassuming. Today, mentioning search engines like Ask Jeeves, Lycos, or Webcrawler would get many people scratching their heads. But these services were once household names like Google is today. As sites became more complex and technology became available, the simple web search got smarter and the age of autocomplete in real time and instant search suggestions kicked in. Natural language search algorithms were integrated into databases, which also gained the capability to do full text search. Many other supporting programs were created to further enhance the user's search experience, most notably, Elasticsearch. Since then, web and mobile search has evolved from simple keyword hit and enter queries to complex, data-driven systems that are constantly changing. As user behavior changes, so does the search landscape. Other than the increased use of voice search, there are also algorithms that make use of visual search and image search features like the Google Image Search service. Aside from these, we're now seeing the integration of artificial intelligence into search algorithms. As a result, search engines are now better able to understand the search intent behind a query and provide more personalized and relevant results. Enter OpenAI's latest release, ChatGPT 4. Sam Altman, OpenAI's co-founder, has called ChatGPT 4 their most capable and aligned model yet. He's also described it as multimodal, meaning that it can accept images as well as text as inputs, allowing users to ask questions about pictures. ChatGPT 4 can accept massive text inputs and can process over 20,000 words simultaneously. This means you could, in theory, paste an entire novel into the prompt. From OpenAI's commercial partnerships, GPT-4 will also be available as an API for developers to build applications and services. This will allow these implementations to offer GPT-4-powered services. For example, Duolingo, the language learning app, has added a new subscription tier dubbed Duolingo Max. This will offer English-speaking users AI-powered conversations in French or Spanish. The GPT-4 enhancement will also help users understand the language mistakes they have made. Another company using GPT-4 is the fintech payment processing platform, Stripe. The company is using GPT-4-powered bots to answer user support questions and weed out potential scammers in their community forum. Various other companies using the API include Be My Eyes and Khan Academy, in different implementations. And users have gone crazy testing GPT-4's creative capabilities. One Twitter user showed an example of GPT-4 turning a simple hand-drawn sketch into a functional website that runs on their browser, complete with HTML codes. The same user uploaded a picture of ingredients and tasked GPT-4 to come up with a list of recipes, which it did. Another Twitter user posted this video of a simple browser-based game that he created using GPT-4. GPT-4 can also recognize and describe images with impressive detail. In another example that can be seen on the New York Times website, the AI was asked to generate meal ideas from a photo of groceries in the fridge. And it's capable of humor too. In this screenshot from OpenAI's website, GPT-4 is asked to explain what's wrong with picture of a VGA cable being plugged into the lightning port of a smartphone. However, Chat GPT-4 is only available to premium users. To access it, you have to subscribe to Chat GPT Plus, which attracts a $20 monthly subscription. To keep the system usage sustainable, OpenAI has also restricted GPT-4's usage to at most 100 queries every 4 hours. The current free version of Chat GPT is based on GPT 3.5, which is still quite powerful. How to access Chat GPT-4 for free? You can access Chat GPT for free on Microsoft Bing Chat. Reports indicate that Microsoft's Bing AI chatbot is already using a GPT-4 model called Prometheus. This makes Microsoft's Bing AI chatbot more powerful than the free release of Chat GPT, which still runs on version 3.5. To use GPT-4 on Bing, follow these steps. Open bing.com/new. We'll be using Microsoft Edge on this example. Then, click on Chat. This brings up the chat window and you can now test the powerful capabilities of GPT-4. If you are using other browsers, you first need to install the Bing Chat for all browsers extension. This will allow you to use Bing AI Chat on any web browser. Please note that while Bing Chat is free, it is limited to 15 chats per session and 150 sessions per day. Despite the vast improvements to the core engine, Chat GPT-4 is still not perfect. It still has a few shortcomings, such as hallucinating, a term used to describe GPT-4's making up stuff. However, this has been significantly reduced. Thank you for watching. Please let us know in the comments any other cool stuff that you've been able to do with GPT-4. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these.